Hey, welcome to Facebook Live here in Divine Mercy Care in Tepeyac OBGYN's conference room. We're really excited to give you guys a heads up, and yet another heads up on our conference or our event next Thursday with Ryan and Bethany Bomberger. We're really excited, August 8th at 7:30 p.m.
Yes, we're so happy to welcome Bethany and Ryan. They're an amazing couple from the Radiance Foundation. We're really honored to get them as the third speakers for our Generation of Life lecture series this 25th anniversary of Tepeyac year. And they're going to be speaking about marriage and adoption as a way to build life-affirming culture. Ryan was actually conceived in rape and adopted himself and then went on to marry Bethany and become adoptive parents. So they have a really compelling story to tell about redemption and about a way to bring light to the darkness of the world and the modern day mayhem that we're facing. So if you're feeling discouraged or need some inspiration about living this culture of life, we really recommend you come out and see them. You can still register at divinemercycare.org, and it will be at the Lyceum in Old Town Alexandria from the Basilica of St. Mary. And we really hope you can make it out. In fact, Ryan was an amazing personal inspiration to you,
Yeah,
Will.
absolutely. He and Bethany, their story, their journey, Ryan being adopted himself, and then he and Bethany being adoptive parents. I first heard him speak 3 years ago at the Mary's Shelter Summer Soiree, and it was transformational for my wife and I, and it's really inspired us to become adoptive parents ourselves. And I'm excited for the community, honestly, to be able to hear him and Bethany, and to really help us all navigate the mayhem that is out there in this life-affirming work that we do every day here at Divine Mercy Care and Tepeyac in particular. So hopefully you can make it out. Again, register online, and we'll hope to see you next Thursday night.
Come be a part.